Here is Daily Devotion with Brother Mark. Today we will read from the book of Matthew chapter 26 from verses 1 to 5. And it came to pass, when Jesus had finished all these sayings, he said unto his disciples, Ye know that after 2 days is the feast of the Passover, and the Son of Man is betrayed to be crucified. Then assembled together the chief priests and the scribes and the elders of the people unto the palace of the high priest, who was called Caiaphas, and consulted that they might take Jesus by subtilty and kill him. But they said, Not on the feast day, lest there be an uproar among the people. My friends, this passage here is making record on the plot that they had to kill Jesus, to murder him. In the sight of God, it is to be crucified, to be offered as a living sacrifice. But within this plan, my friend, I speak to you on the point where there are those who will side to kill you. There are those who will congregate to devise the plans to kill you. We see here that when Caiaphas was consulted by the high priest, who is the high priest, by the elders and the scribes, they said and came to the conclusion that no, let us not take him among his people. My friends, when the devil wants to sift you like wheat, as God told Peter, he will draw you away into places where your support is lacking or there is none. He will pull you away from your church. He will pull you away from wherever your source is. Because once you're pulled away from church, then that is basically being pulled away from God, because God, Jesus Christ, is the church. And so, my friends, when the devil have his devices planned for you, he will not come to take you when you are at your strongest, but he will look for those weak times when he can infiltrate your spirit. Be vigilant, be on the lookout, be on the watch out, watch, my friends, and pray that the plot to kill you will not be taken in the way, in this form, where he will come in your mind. At times, Satan, the devil, he will tell you that you yourself must isolate yourself. You must lock away yourself from everyone. He put this thought in your mind that, oh, I do not need anyone, I can do this on my own. That's a lie from the pit of hell. Being the father of all lies, the devil, he twists the things to make us believe it, to make us think that he speaks the things that are right. But let us be sure that truth comes only from God. Truth comes only from heaven. Be not overtaken suddenly, but let it be your testimony as with Paul, that for me to live is Christ, and to die, it is gain.